Hello guys, welcome to Vrimmerce. Today's video is about 13 top print-on-demand companies and how to choose one in 2023 for your e-commerce business. First of all, what is print-on-demand? Print-on-demand, or POD, is an order fulfillment method where items are printed as soon as an order is made, often, and in Printful's case, without order minimums. With POD, you can create customized designs for a variety of products and sell them under your brand. Who can start print-on-demand business? Creators, e-commerce entrepreneurs, global brands and enterprises, and any human on earth. Print-on-demand companies make it possible to start selling custom products in minutes. You can use these services to do things like start an e-commerce business from home, kickstart a print-on-demand clothing line with no startup capital, monetize a social media audience, expand an existing business with new product lines. Sounds great, right? But before you can get started, you need to answer this question: what is the best print-on-demand site for you? This isn't an easy question to answer. There are so many print-on-demand sites to choose from and tons to think about. What should you look for when choosing a print-on-demand service? In this video, we'll explore the essential things to consider when selecting a print-on-demand service and check out 13 of the top print-on-demand companies in 2023. But first, let's get on the same page. What are print-on-demand companies exactly? What are print-on-demand companies? Print-on-demand, or POD, companies are businesses that provide a complete e-commerce fulfillment solution. This includes sourcing and storing products, printing products and packaging materials, and shipping orders to customers. Print-on-demand is a type of dropshipping. All you need to do is create eye-catching designs, configure your products, and sell them online. A print-on-demand company will take care of the rest. Top 13 print-on-demand companies. What are the best print-on-demand companies out there in 2023? Here are our favorite print-on-demand sites to consider. 1. Printful. Printful is one of the most popular print-on-demand companies out there. It offers more than 220 different products and provides a range of printing options, such as direct-to-garment, cut and sew, sublimation, and embroidery. You can also add custom tags to your products and include stickers and inserts in the product packaging. Printful's mockup generator makes customization easy, and the service integrates with all major platforms, including Shopify and Etsy. Plus, products are typically ready to ship in 2 to 5 business days. 2. Printify. Printify provides access to an extensive network of print-on-demand suppliers around the world. As a result, you can choose the best supplier in your country for fast and cost-effective shipping. Of course, this also means that shipping times and product quality will vary depending on the supplier you choose. This print-on-demand company enables businesses to customize more than 300 products in many ways, including embroidery, sublimation, and direct-to-garment printing. Printify also offers premium and enterprise plans that provide significant discounts for businesses with a high turnover. 3. Custom Cat. Custom Cat is a US-based print-on-demand company, and orders are typically ready to ship in just 2 to 3 business days. This print-on-demand shop offers a few printing options, such as direct-to-garment, 3D dye infusion, and sublimation. Custom Cat also boasts one of the largest print-on-demand merchandise catalogs available, so it's a good choice if you're looking for unique print-on-demand products. 4. Spod. Spod is one of the fastest print-on-demand companies out there, boasting a 2-day turnaround. It also provides a handy shipping calculator. Spod offers many different printing options, including digital direct, laser transfer, special flex, and sublimation. And you can use the service to sell more than 100 products. You can also use Spod to enable customers to customize products with their own designs and images. 5. Pop. Pop is one of the best print-on-demand companies in Europe, with orders printed in France. This print-on-demand company focuses primarily on apparel and accessories and allows users to customize and sell 36 different products. Pop offers a complete white-label print-on-demand service, with customizable packing slips and packaging. This print-on-demand company is also committed to preserving the environment with zero plastic packaging and 100% recycled paper packing slips. 6. Jet Print. Jet Print is one of the best print-on-demand companies for watches and other exciting product categories like shoes, yoga accessories, and homeware. For this reason, it's an excellent choice for those looking to bootstrap a business around a particular product or niche. Once you upload your designs, this print-on-demand service will automatically generate professional-looking product photos to show off your products from multiple angles. Orders are usually ready to ship in 3 to 5 business days. 7. T-Launch. T-Launch allows you to sell print-on-demand merchandise via Shopify and Etsy. It also provides an impressive range of products that aren't as generic as many typical print-on-demand products, including electronics, apparel, and homeware. T-Launch offers a few different printing options, such as direct-to-garment, cut and sew, all-over print, and laser etching. Production typically takes 3 to 6 business days. There's also a manual order tool you can use to order products to sell in person. 8. Gelato. Gelato is a global print-on-demand company with more than 100 print partners in 30 countries, delivering products to over 200 countries and territories. It also integrates with all the top online sales channels, including Shopify. Gelato provides an extensive library of products, such as apparel, wall art, and stationery. Plus, this print-on-demand company works fast, promising to produce and deliver most orders within just 72 hours. 9. Guten. Guten is a popular print-on-demand site offering a range of printing options and products, such as apparel, homeware, and travel accessories. Products are typically produced and shipped within 1 to 6 business days. Guten's API and integration options are more complicated than many print-on-demand companies. However, this means it's very developer-friendly and offers more flexibility. 10. Printy6. Printy6 is a print-on-demand site for Shopify based in China. As a result, shipping takes longer and costs more than many other print-on-demand sites. However, Printy6 offers many eye-catching and cheap print-on-demand products, including a large range of clothing, accessories, and homeware. Plus, production time only takes 1 to 3 days. 11. Lulu Direct. Lulu Direct is the print-on-demand venture of Lulu, an online platform that caters to self-publishers. You can use this pod service to create, sell, and ship books to customers worldwide. Lulu Direct best suits authors who want to monetize their audience or talent with a book product. With flexible formats, book layouts, and binding types, the service lets you have a big say in how the product should look physically. 12. Applique. Do you dream of someday starting your own clothing line? That day might be closer than you think, especially when print-on-demand companies like Applique exist. With this service, you can create your own retail-quality private label products using a wide range of designs you can sell through a mix of online and offline retail channels. Plus, Applique offers better wholesale discounts than most pod services, making it a great choice for entrepreneurs who want to launch a fashion brand. 13. AOP Plus. AOP Plus primarily focuses on all-over print products. For those unfamiliar, all-over print involves printing designs directly onto the fabric, which is then cut and hand-sewn into the final product. You simply upload the design and choose which products you'd like to create, and AOP Plus handles the rest. Shipping costs depend on the item, with the company offering discounts on additional products in the same order. That's the 13 print-on-demand companies. Thanks for watching.